Okay, example 4, we're going to evaluate the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. So, let's see, let's start out with, let's set it up. So remember we said we're going to take our first A, so 2, and we're going to multiply it times the determinant. And to find that determinant, we're going to mark out the row and the column that 2 is on. So, and the numbers that are not marked out are the elements of that determinant. So we end up with 6, 0, 3, and 1. And then the formula tells me that it's a minus. And then I'm going to use my second x there. So that's a negative 5. So not x, but it's the coefficient of an x. And we're going to multiply it times the determinant. And it said to find that determinant, we're going to mark out the row and the column that have that negative 5. So let me change colors here so it'll help a little bit. So I'm going to mark out the row and the column with the negative 5. And the numbers that are left there are going to be the elements of that determinant. So we got 1 and 7, 3 and 1. And the formula tells me plus. And then it's my last coefficient of x, so the negative 4, times its determinant. And just like the others, to find its determinant, we're going to mark out the row and the column that determinant's on. So we're going to mark out, I'm going to mark out this column and this row, and whatever's left is going to be the elements of it. So I've got 1 and 7, 6, and 0. So now we just need to work out the determinants, do our multiplication. So let me change colors here so it shows a little bit. Alright, so we've got 2 times. Now I'm not going to write out every step here, but I am going to find the determinant of this. So remember, we cross multiply and subtract them. So 6 times 1 is 6, minus 3 times 0 is 0. And then I know that minus and negative is a plus. 5 times, let's find this one's determinant. So cross multiply, so 1 times 1 is 1, minus 3 times 7 is 21. And then I know minus and negative is a minus. 4 times its determinant. So cross multiply, 1 times 0 is 0, minus 6 times 7 is 42. And then we just work this out. So I'm going to do my parentheses. I got 2 times 6 plus 5 times negative 20 minus 4 times negative 42. And if you want to just put that straight in your calculator, you can. But I end up with 12 minus 100 plus 168. Put all that in your calculator and you should get 80, which is the answer to our determinant.